Hi everyone, my name is Samir and once again you are welcome back to PMP Mastery channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about one of the most confusing contract types, which is time and material contract. This is combination of fixed price contract and cost reimbursable. So let's get understand what is time and material contracts. So this is a hybrid contract of fixed price and cost reimbursable contract frequently used for service efforts in which the level of effort cannot be defined on the time of contract is signed. Risk is distributed to both parties used when the deliverable is labor hours. This type of contract is used to hire some experts or any outside support. Here, the buyer can specify the hourly rate for the labor with a not to exceed limit. Quick creation, less detail, no incentive to control costs, appropriate only for work involving a small level of effort, day-to-day oversight required. Example, technician will be paid 20 USD per hour. Now, time and machine. It is talking about time and machine. Means time is something you can fix plus machine, or you can also understand machine equal to material. So material, how much material you are going to use is unknown. Time you may fix, okay, per hour I'm going to charge $10 for my technician, and I will charge at end of the day depending how much material has been used. So this is how this contract is, where we are combining both, like cost reimbursable, which is about like material, how much material we have used, and fixed price, that is the time, like we are fixing our hourly rate or day wise rate or monthly rate. Okay, so this is the combination of both.